Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. Today is March 18th, 2023, and I'm going to discuss gold and senior gold miners GDX. Without any warning, gold finally breaks from a 3-year flag-shaped consolidation. This is a very significant event and looks like there is no turning back. The metal was on the verge of a breakout over the past few weeks, and I expected to happen sometime in April. As expected, gold found support around $1787, $1808 level, but took off faster than I expected. I assume recent events in the US banking system caused a short squeeze, initiating a rally earlier than I anticipated. Federal Reserve, which was on the course to continue reducing its balance sheet, reversed its course 180 degrees. In fact, it took Fed 4 months to reduce its balance sheet by $300 billion and only a couple of days to expand by as much. Gold, realizing that Fed is losing the battle with inflation by restarting QE, didn't need a second invitation and finally broke out from a long-term consolidation. The breakout is very similar to the one that happened back in June of 2019, which I discussed in one of my recent videos. Back then, gold broke out from a 6-year consolidation and rallied 55% within 14 months, reaching all-time high. The recent pullback to $1,800 level, which formed a higher low, was a final buying opportunity, as well similar to May 2019 low. From May 2019 low, gold rallied nearly 25% within 3 months. So what can we expect to happen in gold within the next 2-3 months? I believe gold will likely continue grinding towards a double top without any major pullback. Next, it will pause around this top for a couple of weeks and eventually break out with a likely price target of $2,150 level, which was likely going to happen in a blink of an eye. Then at some point, it should top and produce a pullback to retest a double top where previous resistance should act as a support. On a successful retest, gold should propel to $2,350, $2,500 level by late 2023 and $3,000 mark likely by 2024. All in all, gold is on the eve of a long-term and sustainable bull run. The only problem is the mining stocks. Exactly a year ago, gold traded at the same levels as today, and senior gold miners GDX traded nearly 30% higher. Just 2 months ago, GDX was trading 10% higher on a much lower gold price. The lag between gold and miners is unacceptably large, and that is my major concern. If gold miners do not catch up, then gold could have produced a false breakout. However, if gold miners start to catch up over the coming days, then we could conclude that gold produced a legitimate breakout. It has to be noted that gold fooled and burned investors so badly over the past 3 years that even on such a breakout, investors are skeptical. Once investors realize that there is no turning back for gold, I believe we are going to witness a rush into gold stocks. Over the coming 2 weeks, GDX should make up for a significant portion of a year-long 30% lag. 15 to 20% gain in GDX could happen within just a few days. I'm very excited and glad to be a witness to such a historic moment. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.